Well, we've been short of rain, too. What's the situation now? Some of us have seen a little bit.
Well, we'll get a new update from the U.S. Drought Monitor on Thursday here. What I suspect here is the rain that we saw, some of it was heavy at times, but it hit hard and fast.
Yeah.
And normally the runoff values are high. So normally for drought, that's normally not a huge benefit. But looking across the area here, we still have the heat advisory for Jackson, Jennings, and Lawrence County, and also Carroll County. The rest of the counties have been lifted from the heat advisory. Probably people are wondering why. I mean, it's so hot outside, why would you lift the heat advisory? This all has to do with what we call criteria. The National Weather Service operates within criteria. In our area, generally, if the heat index gets over 105, we issue a heat advisory. It doesn't mean this stuff isn't dangerous. It just means we're not going to meet the National Weather Service criteria. Now, looking across the area, you can see the showers and thunderstorms pulsing up and down. Here's one thunderstorm. It's probably going to make it into Jennings County. So North Vernon, be careful. There's a thunderstorm to your north. If that holds together, it'll bring some moderate, some heavy rain to your area briefly. And the wider perspective shows the upper level low, the core of it's to our west, but notice it's starting to pivot now a little bit in our direction here underneath that massive dome of high pressure here. So I think with that pivoting here, we still have a chance this afternoon. And then I think for tomorrow, we have a better chance of catching some thunderstorms with a front in the area Thursday, Friday. That looks like the best chance of them all. At 97 right now, our winds are out of the west at 10 miles an hour, helping maybe a little bit, but it feels like 102 degrees. And I'll tell you, I actually mowed the lawn today. I mowed what's left of the lawn today, and I can tell you it was terribly uncomfortable to be doing it. Of course, Gil's over there laughing at me because Gil has, in fact, seen what's left of my lawn. 98 Bedford, 95 degrees from Scottsburg, 94 from Shelbyville, and 91 degrees from Hardinsburg. Advanced track showing during the overnight hours, temperatures only dropped to around 70 degrees. And watch those heat index values pop to near 100 degrees by midday tomorrow. And by 5 p.m., 106 from Seymour, 104 from Paoli, 102 Frankfort. Watch as we move towards Thursday as the moisture pools ahead of that front. By 1:30, a heat index of 111 from Seymour, 110 from Madison, and 109 degrees from Frankfort. So that covers the heat. Now let's talk about rain chances. 20% tonight will drop to a low of 77 degrees with a southwest wind at 5 miles per hour. For tomorrow, about a 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, still blazing hot at 96 degrees. The front's going to be in here, I think, specifically Thursday and Friday, and that's when we have our best chance of thunderstorms. Thursday goes a 60% chance, and Friday a 50% chance. Now, the weekend is behind the front, and I'm going to talk about whether it's actually any cooler behind that front in about 20 minutes.
All right.
This is me taking the high road. No comments about your lawn. Thank you, Mark.
Nice. All right.
Let's get over to traffic. Mike Marshall, there's a lot to talk about right now.
That's right. We can talk about Mark's lawn. He didn't really cut it. He tilled it is what happened. I think that was the correct term he was looking for. He got there and tilled the front yard. All right. We've had traffic a little slow on the Waterson westbound. He likes that. All right. Right at Poplar Level Road over to 65. 65 heavy now. Broadway through Hospital Curve. 11 miles per hour coming in through Hospital Curve. And then very heavy on 71 and 64. I'm going to take a look at a couple of the cameras here real quickly. Here's 71, 64, very heavy coming out.